if ever I...
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is lazy Sunday, so I thought it would be the perfect day to just do some brush cleaning and do some face masks in the meantime, kind of like recover and recoup for the week. So I'm gonna start off with this Freeman Feeling Beautiful Anti-Stress Dead Sea Mineral Clay Mask. I got this at Walmart actually, and it works really well for me. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this applicator thingy. It's called Spascriptions. I believe I got this at Marshall's at some point. And you could just use your fingers, but I feel like with this applicator, it just spreads it evenly and it goes precisely just where you want it to go. It doesn't go like all over your face plus your fingers. But I think you can use your fingers as well. I've used my fingers before I owned one of these and it's all good. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna apply this all over our face. It feels really nice too in your skin. Get it in our forehead. Make sure I don't get my hair. Sorry I'm not looking at the camera, I just really need to see what I'm doing. But I'll be right back. Okay. Okay guys, so my mask is in place, everything is good, and then we're gonna leave that in there for 10 to 15 minutes, give or take. Sometimes it takes a little longer just because I like it like very thick consistency, so it takes a lot longer to like dry, but I like it. I like that, like that first cold clayey feeling, and then just let it dry out, and it just feels like hard, kind of when you like kringle your skin, it cracks up. I don't know, I'm weird like that. So anyway, I got this Quick Clean Dry Brush Spray. I don't know if you can see it. And I got this at Target, and I just wanted to test it out. This is a Sonia Kashuk. I'm probably butchering her name. I really don't know how you say it. But I'm gonna give it a try, guys. It says to use, apply 2 or 3 quick sprays directly onto brush head and then swirl onto a paper towel to wipe away makeup. Let's see if it's that simple. So I have like all my brushes right here, and I'm not gonna use a paper towel. I'm gonna use like my whatever towel that I use to clean my brushes. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. All right, let me make sure 2 or 3 quick sprays onto brush. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, okay. Lock. All right, now let's see how this goes. Wow, it actually works really well. And it has a really good smell, guys. It smells like really good. I don't know, it kind of brings me to like a beach or something. It brings me back to like a tropical island. Oh my God, guys, look at this. This is really, wow. I'm really impressed. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. Wow. Oh my gosh. Guys, look, it took away everything. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am definitely buying this product again because this was so easy to do. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys. Okay, yes, definitely gonna go get it again. I'm gonna check at Amazon to see if they got it, just because I'm so lazy. But whenever I'm at Target again, I'm gonna probably just pick one up again, because this was just a small, like, look at me putting it in the towel. Small like trial thing. I like to get like the small sizes of things first before I commit to it. That way I know if I actually like and enjoy the product. Same with like my makeup and everything. Minus shampoo. Shampoo is kind of like a given thing. Like you already know, you can't really mess it up. But I like to get like the trial version, the testers first. And if there's no testers, I just get like the smallest possible one available to test it out. That way if I don't like it, I could either give it away or it's like, it's alright, at least I didn't get the whole full-size product. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh, guys. This has cut the brush cleaning in half. I am blown away. Okay, so just so you have a perspective. So I'm going to show you this brush before and after. This is the before. Look at it. All right. Now we're going to put the spray. Give or take, just to make sure. And I'm going to go ahead and clean it in like a sort of clean area spot right here. And now I'm just gonna swirl it. Look at this. Wow. It is cleaning away. Not sure if I need to put some more, but the instructions just say 2 to 3 sprays. So that should be enough. But this one was really, really, really dirty. So I might give it one more chance. But guys, look at this already. Do you see this? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm going to spray a little bit more just to make sure, because I don't know if I used enough. I don't really know how to use this. It's my first time I used it, so. But guys, this is really good. Okay, so we're going to clean this up. And I'm going to show you again what it looks like after I'm done here. Wow. Okay, this is the after. See this? And it smells so good. And it's clean, it's soft, it doesn't affect your brush or anything. Okay guys, it is time to take the mask off. I think I did the crack test. Let me see. It cracked up, so we're ready to go. All right, we're gonna get some water going. And we're gonna grab one of my towels so I can wipe off the excess later. Okay. And some water because I'm thirsty. All right, we're gonna go in and remove the mask. Feels so nice after you're done. And that is it, guys. We have completed this video. Good job. We cleaned our brushes. We did a small review on a new product. We cleaned our beauty blender. We did a face mask. We removed it. We are ready. We are hydrated. And we're good to go. See you next time. Bye-bye.